Welcome back to the 50-acre homestead. I'm Clay, and in this video I'm going to show you how I keep rabbits out of my garden. I've got a rabbit or maybe two eating my garden here, and I really don't mind when it's this big if they eat a little bit here and there, but when I first plant it is when I have problems with them, because when it pops up they'll eat it down and it don't have a chance. And I just planted my corn, so I got to get these rabbits out of here. And it's really, really easy to keep them out, and I'm going to show you how. And if you don't know if you got rabbits when you plant in your garden, you can look around your garden area and see if there's sign of them, just like this right here. That's signs right there that rabbits are here. That's rabbit droppings. There's a lot of it back here. There's some more right there. They're spending some time back here, so I'm going to get them out of here. You can see right here where they've been eating it. They're eating it pretty good, and it ain't really hurting them. They've been eating this one too. But I don't want them to eat my corn over there. I just planted my corn, and once it starts popping up, they'll just go right down that row and eat it down. Have to replant. The way I keep them out, I trap them and relocate them. I don't kill them. And this is the trap I use. This is just an animal trap that's big enough for a coon or possum or squirrels. I've caught squirrels in this trap and a bunch of rabbits. Let me show you how I do it. I want to make sure it's level. I've already slid it back into and got the dirt level. And now I'm going to set it. Gotta pop this thing up, push that back, hold this up. I'm on the wrong side. Let me get to the other side. It's hard to do this with the camera, but you see this thing right here? That's gotta pull forward. Just like that, and it's set. Now to get him to go in. See, it's set there. The way you get them to go in is with corn. I don't have much corn. I'm about out of corn. That's all I got. I'm gonna see if I can catch him with just a little bit. You want to put a little bit on the outside here, and then I put a little bit inside, just inside the trap, and I put the rest back here on this. When they step on that thing there, that's what trips it. Put it back here. And that's what it looks like. That should be enough corn to trap him. There's probably more than one. We'll come back in the morning and check it, see if we got a rabbit or not. Let's get one more look at it here. We'll come back in the morning and check our rabbit trap. Well, it looks like the rabbit took the bait. We got him. He bounced all around in there. I'm gonna take him and haul him down the road so he don't come back. Let's turn this rabbit loose. There he goes. His new home. 3 miles from the house. Let me reset this rabbit trap. Make sure there is not another one. That's what it looks like. Well, that's how I keep rabbits out of my garden. I know when we moved to this property we're living on here now, that's 50 acres, we out here in the middle of the woods, and the first year I planted, here come the rabbits. I think the first thing I planted out here was the fall, and it was broccoli and cauliflower and cabbage, and here they come and eat them down. And I got online and started doing some research, trying to figure out how to keep rabbits out of my garden, because they was coming in the middle of the night, eating my garden. I tried all kind of stuff. There was one of them said to get some ivory soap and cut it up in small pieces and put it out in your garden, and the scent would keep them out. I tried that. That didn't work. They stood on top of that and eat my garden. And I've tried several different things, but this here works. Catching them in these live traps, it's humane, it's easy, and it works every single time. Every time I've ever had rabbit problems and I put these traps out and set them with corn. All you got to have is corn to bait them with. It really does work. And you know, it'll keep you, if you're having problems with squirrels, I've caught squirrels in these traps. I remember when I lived at the other place, I had some plum trees. I come home one day and it was a small plum tree, it was low to the ground, had about 50 plums on it, and they were just starting to get ripe. And I come home, there was 5 squirrels in that little thing. And I started setting this trap at the bottom of it with corn. I wound up that year, I hauled off around 30 squirrels, and I lived 2 miles down the road, and I was actually hauling them to this property. I didn't own this property yet, but I was hauling them out on the highway and turning them loose, just relocating them. But it works for everything. If you're having problems with coons, possums, rabbits, squirrels, I know whenever I reset this trap here, because I thought I might have had a couple of rabbits, I only caught one, but I caught my daughter's cat one night, and that's one thing you need to do. You need to check these traps early in the morning time, because if you catch your neighbor's cats, you don't want to let them stay in there all day without any water. So I check them early in the morning time. But I caught her cat, turned him out, and then a few days later I caught a possum that was up here in my garden, and I just relocated him down the road. But anyhow, I hope this helps somebody keep the rabbits out of your garden. Do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the videos. I appreciate you. I'll catch y'all in the next video. And we'll take a little quick look at my corn here. It's almost ready. Well, it is ready for ammonium nitrate. I'm going to put some ammonium nitrate to this corn this week and keep it watered good. And in a few weeks, we're going to be eating Silver Queen corn. That corn's pretty. It's over knee high now.